YouTube, we're here with the Airbus A330-600. Yes, that's fictitious. I need to say that every time because it
Still
seems to be a
doesn't
popular
exist.
plane. In the 300 configuration, it's a real plane. The 600 is fictitious. It was never built, but it's a similar fuselage, similar wingspan, within a few feet, really, to the 340. But 2 engines, bigger engines, by the way. And here we go. We're going to get a flight in.
Okay.
I have not enough elevator authority. Let's check for damage and see if we can put it up one more time. It's moving, so the CP must be a little bit too forward. Gotta check the gear. That was a rough landing because I had nowhere to go with my elevator. Everything looks fine. So we're just gonna slide the battery back a little bit. And that should take care of that. Okay, you ready?
Mm-hmm. Wait, no. Are you gonna go back and then?
Still feel like I don't have enough elevator authority. I'm gonna land it.
Okay.
Woo! Well, I think we know which video is going to make it to the YouTube channel, but let's talk about it anyway. Okay, guys. Pushed one of my wheels off the rim. You see? Sometimes you just got to get it down however you need to get it down. So I popped that wheel right off the rim, which, to be honest with you, pretty reasonable outcome given the circumstances. Not sure why it was being so weird. Let's try the gear again. Oh, that's not good. Okay. Flaps are good. This will work this time. Okay. Just want to make sure everything cycles. It's got a 10-second closure on that. Did it go?
Mm-hmm.
It's tight.
Yep.
Okay. All right, so I don't think I damaged anything at all. How about the wingtips? How do we look?
That one looks fine.
How about this one?
That one looks fine.
You know what else it could have been? This is kind of my redheaded stepchild battery, but the alarm never went off. So what's the moral of the story, guys? Make sure your CG's right. Whenever you get a beautiful surrounding like this, just plan on not getting your better footage, which is regrettable, because this thing is a beautiful plane. It really is.
Do you want to check the voltage?
Yeah, we can do that. I gotta put the gear down, so why don't we maybe reset? Will you grab the tail end of that? Okay guys, so I'm not sure why that was such a failure on that one. 3.8, 3.73, 3.79, 3.78, 3.8, 3.73. So we do have a little bit of deviation in the voltages, but that's fine. I mean, of course, ideally you want them to be exactly the same, but you know, good luck with that after you fly a 4S pack on EDFs ever. There was one little bit of damage on that rough landing, and the only damage that happened was I bent the nose gear just a little bit. I'll have to true that up. And as a result, it was catching the covers on the doors. I have these extra doors under there. So this pack, as you can see, it's a little puffy. We might have pushed it a little bit longer because of that strange flight behavior. Partly it comes from not being able to see quite as good when the sun's down a little bit further, which is really regrettable because that thing is just beautiful with the lights on it and everything. So I just long for the day when I can fly it. It's dark and it just does everything right. And I have an idea for that, and that would entail, I believe the ESCs are rated for like up to 6 or 8S, I can't remember. This is a 4S. I'm thinking of trying a 5S to see how it performs. And it'd be a 5S 5000 milliamp hour. So I'll have to reevaluate the CG, because as you can see, when you don't have elevator authority, that's what kills this plane. And with mine, I have heavy magnets on the nose, and I have the extension. So mine's gonna be a lot different than yours. I had to do severe modifications to be able to put the battery where I put the battery. I hollowed out this much of the body. Mine is actually in the wing, so, and it's all removable and stuff anyway. So when you get yours, if you do it as a 330-600 configuration, then you'll be able to put the battery where it's supposed to be, which is up in front of everything. Mine is behind and on top of everything. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. The first video was a lot better, so I'm hoping you watched it first. Don't forget to come back for more. Click the bell for notifications if you want to be notified of new videos. Thanks.